In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a shared file on Google Drive without changing the shareable link. This is perfect for situations where you need to revise a document that you've already shared, but want to ensure that everyone you've shared it with continues to have access using the same link. Whether you're updating a report, presentation, or any shared document, following these steps will make the process seamless. First, we'll navigate to your Google Drive. Head over to the homepage of Google Drive. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in drive.google.com, ensuring you're logged into the correct Google account. Your Drive is where all your files are stored and managed, and finding the file you need should be straightforward thanks to Google's intuitive search and sorting options. Once you are at the homepage, look for the file you intend to update. When you locate it, go ahead and right-click on the file. By right-clicking or using the appropriate gesture if you're on a touchpad, you'll access a menu with several options that allow you to manage your file in different ways. Next, hover over the option labelled as File Information. You won't need to click here, simply rest your cursor over the option to ensure you're seeing all the related selections. This action helps you access more file management choices without switching to another page or window. From here, click on Manage Versions. This feature is crucial in Google Drive because it shows you the history of your file's versions and allows you to update the file while preserving the link. You'll be taken to a window where you can view all the previous versions and decide how to manage them. Now in the Manage Versions window, look for the button that says Upload New Version. Go ahead and click on it. This option is your gateway to replacing the existing file with the updated version. It's important that the new file matches the format or style of the original to avoid any compatibility issues. When you click Upload New Version, a dialog will pop up, prompting you to select the updated file from your computer. Navigate through your folders and files, and once you've found it, select the updated version you'd like to upload. Click Open or the equivalent on your device to start the uploading process. Once the upload is complete, your file on Google Drive is now updated. The best part is that all your sharing settings remain intact. Anyone with the original shareable link can now access the updated version without any further action needed from you. And there you have it, that's how you can easily update a shared file on Google Drive without altering the shareable link. This method saves you time and ensures consistency in file management. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.